Yes.
Peter Scull.
Yes.
Wondering if you got any comments on
No.
the John Lennon.
I've got nothing to say.
You sure there's no other comments you'd like to say? You sure there's nothing else you'd like to say?
Else. I'll call the police. I've got nothing to say. Hey! I'll call the fucking police, mate. Get out of here. Alright?
Alright,
Get out of here.
just settle down, mate.
Ah! 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 Regrow. I haven't seen Lennon. Don't hit me, Mr. Officer. I haven't seen Lennon. I deny everything. Deny everything. Call the police. I've got nothing to say.